Hello, everyone. So our website should be up by the time you see this video. You will see here it starts with the logo, cute creatures, and then we explain everything on the website. You will get to a little preview of the creatures up here. You have the minting will start here on the 27th, a little explanation. We will show you how many are left. You have access to my Twitter, Discord, and this YouTube channel. And then this one right here is where you will be able to play with your accessories in the future once you mint them. And a little explanation about the parts. So when you get the accessory, when you get the actual creatures, you will get to see they will have in them the different parts as you'll have the different parts laid out in the metadata. So you have the background. So this part will be the background, the body, and then the eyes. And then every creature has different style of attributes to them. So you'll have the angel. Example, this would be a white angel. This would be a yellow death seeker. This would be a red dragon, and so forth. You have the fairy, the goblin, the magician, the phoenix, the unicorn, the vampire, and then, of course, you have the zombie. So you have 11 of them. And no two of those creatures will have the same mix of all four elements. The rarity is explained here. So that we have two types of rarity. We have what we call a static rarity and a dynamic rarity. So the rarity that you see here is just for the actual creatures. And those are the color differences you have in the background, in the body, in the eyes, and then the creature and the creature colors, they are also explained. So this is how many creatures you have in the full drop, and this is the colors of the actual creature you have in the full drop. And what are the dynamic rarities? So the dynamic rarities will start once we actually start accessorizing, and then we mint whatever we accessorize. So you can accessorize a cute creature, and then you mint it. Once you mint it, that's when the dynamic rarities start, and that is when you start getting all those cool things that come with a dynamic rarity, because you will be in control of rarity there. No one else but you controls the dynamic rarity. So the more you mint, the more literally the rarity will change. A little FAQ here. We explain why you should mint a cute creature. We explain what they are in terms of NFTs, who's behind the project itself. Of course, I am the creator, but then we have my art manager, Fettuccini, who's been involved and advising me since the beginning. So, of course, he gets a mention. We have Jovan, who is the lead illustrator for the cute creature accessories. And the reason he's listed is not only do I want to list who worked with me, and he deserves it. He's worked really hard on it. But also that we are taking this. Hopefully, we'll be taking this in phase 2 to somewhere else, and we will explain this later in the Discord. Once the minting starts, I will start talking about phase 2. We have the lead developers from NFT Craze, who are Alex and Stan. They have worked tirelessly on everything on the website, on the back end of the minting, of the accessorizing and minting. They have really done a lot. And of course, we have listed Patrick from NFT Maker Pro because he's been involved since the beginning, and we are using the NFT Maker Pro minting module also. So it's a collaboration between both minters, Alex and Patrick, to get the best combination of both worlds. So what do you get when you mint? What you get when you mint is one cute creature and then 2 random accessories. Part of those accessories will be either the buy cute creatures accessories, so those are the majority of them made by Johan for the drop. But there are also around 2,000 tokens that were made by the project collaborators. There are 20 of them, and we will be updating this website later, but on Twitter you can see who they are. So how will you be able to mint? If you've never minted a Cardano NFT before, please make sure to know that you never ever send ADA from an exchange while minting, because in general, the way Cardano minting works is that you send ADA and then you get back an NFT through something we call a vending machine. So we have those vending machines. If you send from a exchange, you will get back into an exchange, and there's no way to recover it at the moment. The exchanges have not worked on a recovery mode for NFTs, so there is potential that you will lose it forever. We know some people have done that in the past, and they hope also that they get them back. In terms of the wallets, we recommend Nami wallet because that is the one that is integrated into the app feature right here in the future where you'll accessorize. At the moment, you can only accessorize through Nami. Once we get the drop going, we will start working on CC Vault and others to see, since there are new wallets also that do the same functionality as Nami, which is signing and all of that. So yeah, when we started the project, we had started with Nami, and now to go back, we couldn't because we really wanted to get this out for you in time. And that is why we will be working on other integrations soon after the drop. So, are we going to open source the code? A lot of people have asked me this, and I've spoken to the devs. So here's the thing. I own the website, and I own everything that the website comes with, and I own the tech that comes for the website. It's licensed to me and only me for a year. They gave me a very special price. So we will be partly outsourcing for sure what I own and what they feel is right that I had paid for. So yes, partly it will be open sourced for sure. The rest of it is we will see what will happen from now until the future. Though don't forget that those devs are doing this this is their bread and butter. So I don't feel like I have the right to ask them to open source it completely. However, there will be elements that will definitely be open sourced within 8 months from the beginning of the drop. Why did I choose 8 months? 8 months because this is the ones that know me know that I play with the number 8 a lot. So there is that. And also it gives us enough time to make sure that everything is right. There aren't many issues. Any bugs are fixed. And then we will release what we feel is right to release. I assure you that something will be released. Exactly what will be released, that will come in later, and we will find out as time goes by. So what's on the roadmap? We have already started the Cute Creatures backstory development. More about that after the drop. I'm planning on working on a monthly exclusive NFT, maybe not in February, but definitely starting in March. We need some time to develop the NFTs. We've been heavily into the development of this drop that we might start in March. This is to be determined. However, it is not exactly an airdrop. It will be to reward people who are engaged in the community. The community will get to know where to go and mint it, and there will be a very nominal fee for minting. So basically, we all know that when you mint a token on ADA, you get back ADA. So you will be getting back 2 ADA, and you'll end up paying 3 ADA for the actual NFT. Collabs. So this was the first collab, the first drop with the first season of the collabs. I've already started speaking to a few artists that I will not name now until I am 100% sure they're on board. But there are, of course, some artists that want to be part of the collab. Will it be, again, 20 artists? I'm not sure. We might spread the artists over different seasons. The whole point is to keep on giving you have an abundance. Trust me, there's over 500 or 600. I think it was 583 or 683. Excuse me, I'm really tired. I don't remember the exact number. But there are many, many, many accessories you can play with. So you already have a lot. So when season 2 comes along, you will get some other cool accessories to go and play some more and be able to accessorize some more. The Build Your Own Creatures, Cute Creatures app is limited to the Cute Creatures collectors, of course, because it only functions with those NFTs. And what we are doing is I am looking at some to reward people that play with the NFT, with the Cute Creatures app. I am looking at a way to kind of have certain cool limited time only accessories that might pop up, and you have a certain amount of time to get this accessory minted, because this will not be a token you will buy. This will only be something on the website. That's something we're playing with now and testing and see if it works. And then it will be a limited time only and accessory that you can mint if you pay attention. So we are rewarding the collectors that decide to be part of the community. What we're also doing is once we have a nice set of personalities for each creature, we're going to bring them into the community and introduce you to them all. And then what we're planning on doing is work on either both or one of those streams, is get into an animated series or a feature film, or comic books, or both. It all depends on the how much we raise and how we can do it. But we really want to bring the story to life. And the way we want to do it is have you build the story with us. So for example, we might start the storyline and then give you choices like one of those books. If you know, growing up, when I was growing up at least, we had those books which was read your own adventure. So kind of something like that, where the community gets to decide what happens and where the creatures go from there. Also, of course, we will be working on merch. I loved the merch we got through NFT link from the Clay Nation. So something like that is in the works. I haven't talked to them yet, but I will be contacting them soon to see what I can do with them. There is a royalty that is attached to the NFTs, a 5% royalty, and that is to be able to fund our goal of bringing in the comics and the animated series and everything. So if you'd like to stay in touch, I highly advise you to follow me on Twitter, to join the Discord, because we have a Cute Creatures chat. We've decided not to open a Discord just for the Cute Creatures just yet. We might do that in the future. So this is where you want to be to know when it opens, if it opens. And of course, you can always subscribe to this YouTube channel, because this is where you will get all the information about me and all the drops we'll be doing through Chadi Nassar projects, or even the Cute Creatures. So any questions you have, please let me know. If you feel that we have to add something to the FAQ, please do let me know and we will add it. In terms of rarity, we've spoken to CNFT Tools, so they will be helping create an actual rarity system on their website, and we might integrate it into ours too, so that will be coming up in the near future. Anything else you have to ask, please either write a comment down below or just let me know through Twitter, and I'll see what I can answer for you. Ooh, and there you go, the Cute Creatures. Thank you.